Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do a nightmare on Elm Street movie inspired nail art. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my nails from staining. On my ring fingernail, I'm applying dark grey polish as base polish. Then I'm applying fast drying top coat over base polish because in today's nail art, I'm going to use striping tapes. I'm applying green polish at the center of my nail. I'm using striping tape for this nail art to get perfect and neat edges. Now I'm writing Elm Street over green polish. I have started with M alphabet at the center of the nail just to make sure that there are space left for other alphabets. I did same nail art almost 3 years ago. There I started to write Elm Street with E alphabet from the left side of my nails. Later I saw that there are no space left for the street. That's why this time I'm starting with M alphabet instead of E. On my middle, index and thumb I am applying red polish as base polish. Then again I have sectioned my nail with striping tape because over red I'm drawing green stripes. Now I'm applying a glossy top coat and drawing Freddy's claws at the tip of my nail using silver nail polish. On my pinky, I'm applying beach polish and matte top coat over it. I'm drawing scratches over beach polish. I have just added 4 simple lines by sliding my brush from right to left. Then I'm applying a dark red polish to add depth to these scratches. Finally, I'm finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat and then applying matte top coat over it. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends and subscribe to my channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.